Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Walk English. This is the place where learning English becomes easy and genuinely fun. I'm Bella.
Hi, Bella, and a huge hello to our incredible listeners all over the globe. It is wonderful to be here with you today. Honestly, this is always the highlight of my week. How are you doing today?
I am doing fantastic, thank you. I'm feeling full of energy. I actually had such a restful sleep last night.
Oh, that is brilliant. Getting good sleep is so crucial. I'm really glad to hear that. And what about your day, Bella? How has it been?
My day has been amazing. I am super excited because I absolutely love our topic for today.
I'm excited too, but I'm still in the dark. You said it was going to be a surprise.
Yes. Today, we are diving into daily conversations you absolutely must know.
Ooh, daily conversations. That sounds incredibly practical.
It is. We aren't looking at textbook examples today. We are focusing on the English you need for real life, not just the classroom.
I love that. Real English for the real world.
Exactly. We'll cover things like shopping, ordering food, and even how to ask for help.
Wow. Those are situations we face every single day. This is going to be a great episode.
I think so too. But, Jimmy, before we jump into the lesson,
Yes, I know the drill. We have a tiny favor to ask our listeners.
that's right. If you enjoy learning with us, please hit that subscribe button for the Talk Walk English channel.
And please give this video a like. It really helps us out a lot. Also, share this podcast with your friends. Learning together is always way more fun.
Yes, please do. Okay, Jimmy, are you ready? Where should we begin?
Let's start with something very popular, coffee.
You know me too well, Jimmy. I adore coffee. So the first daily conversation is ordering at a cafe.
This is essential. I find myself in a cafe almost every morning.
Okay, so imagine the scene. You are at the counter and the barista looks at you and says, "Next, please." What do you say?
Hmm. Usually, I just say, coffee, please.
That is acceptable, but we can definitely make it better. Let's make it sound more polite and natural.
Okay, teach me. How do I do that?
Instead, you can say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Can I have a coffee, please?
Yes. Or another great option is, "I would like a coffee, please."
I would like. That sounds very elegant, very polite.
It is. Saying "I want" can sound a bit strong or demanding. "I would like" is soft and friendly.
I see. So I would like a large coffee, please.
Perfect. Now, the worker will usually ask you a follow-up question.
What question is that?
They will ask, "For here or to go?"
Ah, right. I hear that all the time. For here means I stay and drink it inside the cafe.
Yes. And "to go" means you are taking it with you, perhaps back to your office.
Okay, so I can simply reply, to go, please.
Exactly. It is a very short interaction, but you will use it constantly.
That is a fantastic tip. I would like and to go, please. Got it.
Yes. Now, let's move on to the next situation. Shopping.
Shopping. Are we talking about groceries or clothes?
Let's focus on clothing shopping today. Everyone needs clothes.
That is true. I actually need a new shirt.
Okay, perfect. So, you are in a shop, you see a shirt you love, but you need some assistance.
Right. Maybe I can't find my size on the rack.
Correct. So, you need to speak to the shop assistant.
I always feel a little nervous speaking to assistants. I never want to bother them.
Don't worry, Jimmy. They are there specifically to help you. You can start with the magic phrase, excuse me.
Excuse me. That truly is a magic phrase.
It is. It's polite and immediately gets their attention. Then you say, can you have this in a size medium?
Can you have this in a size medium? Or maybe a size large for me?
Okay, size large. Or perhaps you want a different color.
Can you have this in blue?
Yes, can you have this in is the key phrase here.
That is easy to remember. Can you have this in red? Can you have this in small?
Exactly. And there is another very important question in a clothing store.
The price?
Yes, the price is important, but also you want to wear the shirt to see if it fits, right?
Ah, yes, I want to try it on.
So you ask, where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room? The fitting room is that small cubicle with the mirror, right?
Yes. Sometimes we also call it a changing room.
Fitting room, changing room. Okay, I can remember those.
Great. Now, let's talk about a conversation that happens out on the street.
On the street.
Yes, specifically when you're lost.
Oh no, I am always getting lost.
Well, then this is perfect for you, Jimmy. You need to know how to ask for directions.
I really do. How do I ask a stranger without being awkward?
Again, we start with the magic words, excuse me.
Yes, excuse me. Then what?
Then you can ask, where is the nearest?
Where is the nearest, like, where is the nearest bank?
Perfect. Or where is the nearest subway station?
That is very useful. And then they give me the answer.
Yes. And the answers are usually simple phrases like go straight.
Go straight. That means walk forward.
Yes. Or turn left and turn right.
Turn left, turn right. Okay.
Sometimes they might say, it is on the corner.
Ah, on the corner where two streets meet.
Exactly. And if you are worried that it's a really long walk, you can ask one more question.
What is that?
Is it far?
Is it far? That is a good question. If it's far, I will definitely take a taxi.
Good idea. So, asking for directions isn't so scary, is it?
No. Excuse me, where's the nearest bank? I can say that with confidence now.
That's great. Now, Jimmy, what about talking to your friends?
I love talking to my friends.
Me too. But we often need to make plans. We need to invite them to do things.
Yes, like going to the movies.
Yes. So, how would you ask a friend to go to the movies?
You go movie with me?
That works. People would understand. But a very natural way is, do you want to see a movie?
Do you want to see a movie? That sounds very natural.
Yes. Or if you want to be a little more polite, you can say, would you like to see a movie?
Would you like to? It's just like ordering coffee. I would like.
Yes, would is a very polite and useful word in English.
Okay. Would you like to have dinner? Would you like to go to the park?
Excellent examples, Jimmy. And how do you answer if a friend asks you?
If I want to go, I just say yes.
Yes, but you can say, that sounds great.
That sounds great. I like that. It shows I am happy about the idea.
But what if you are busy? What if you cannot go?
Then I have to say no. But just saying no feels rude.
You're right. Just saying no can be a little harsh. So we say, I'm sorry, I can't.
I'm sorry, I can't. That is much better.
And usually, we give a small reason. I'm sorry, I can't. I have to work.
Or, I'm sorry, I can't. I am tired.
That is a very honest reason.
It is. So, making plans is about would you like to and responding with that sounds great or I'm sorry, I can't.
Exactly. Simple and polite.
Bella, I have another situation, a very common one.
Tell me.
Making a phone call, like calling a doctor or a dentist.
Oh, yes, making appointments. That can be tricky.
Yes, I get nervous on the phone. I cannot see the person's face.
That is true. Talking on the phone is harder than face to face. But we have a set phrase for this.
Please tell me.
When you call, you say, "Hello, I would like to make an appointment."
I would like to make an appointment. There is would like again.
It is everywhere.
It really is the best phrase for daily life. So I would like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Perfect. And they will ask you when.
And I can say a day on Tuesday.
Yes. Or you can ask, "Do you have any openings on Tuesday?"
Openings. That means free time slots.
Yes. Do you have any openings? Or is there any free time on Tuesday?
Okay. And what if I just want to know the time a shop opens?
Good question. You can call and ask, "What are your opening hours?"
What are your opening hours?
Yes. Or simply, "What time do you close?"
What time do you close? Very practical. I need to know this so I can buy my cookies before the shop locks up.
Always thinking about cookies, Jimmy. Always.
It's a priority.
Okay, let's do one more. This is a conversation for small talk.
Small talk. This means chatting about little casual things.
Yes, like when you bump into a neighbor in the elevator or a colleague at the water cooler.
Yes, sometimes I see my neighbor, Mrs. Higgins, and I don't know what to say. I just smile awkwardly.
Smiling is good, but you can also say, "How are you doing?"
How are you doing? It is like, how are you?
Yes, just a little more casual and relaxed. "How are you doing?"
And what is a good answer to that?
"I'm good, thanks." "And you?"
I'm good, thanks. And you? Simple.
Yes, and a very popular topic for small talk is the weekend.
Oh, yes, everyone loves the weekend.
So on Monday, you can ask, "How was your weekend?"
How was your weekend? That is a very friendly question.
It is. It shows you're interested in their life. And if someone asks me that,
You can say, it was great, or it was relaxing.
"It was relaxing." I like relaxing weekends.
Me too. And if you did something special, you can say, I went to the park, or I saw a movie.
And then the most important part, ask, "How about you?"
Yes, always ask back. It keeps the conversation going.
How about you? This is the ping pong of conversation.
I ask, you answer. You ask, I answer.
That is a perfect way to describe it, Bella. Conversation is like ping pong.
I like ping pong. So, Jimmy, we talked about a lot of situations today.
We did. Ordering coffee, shopping for clothes, asking directions, making plans, phone calls, and small talk. That is a huge amount of English.
It is, but they are all phrases you can use tomorrow morning.
Yes. And remember, listeners, you don't need to be perfect.
No, the important thing is to try. If you say, I want coffee instead of I would like coffee, it's okay. People will still understand you.
That is good to hear. confidence is much more important than perfection.
Exactly. But if you practice these polite phrases, you will feel even more confident.
I agree. I'm going to practice right now.
Where is the fitting room? I really need that new shirt.
Good luck with your shopping, Jimmy.
Thank you, Bella.
And thank you to everyone listening. We hope these tips help you navigate your daily life with ease.
Yes, try to use one of these phrases today, maybe at the cafe.
Or ask a stranger for directions, even if you aren't actually lost.
Just for practice. That is a funny idea.
It works.
Well, Bella, I think our time is almost up.
Oh, time flies when we're having fun.
It really does. But before we go,
Yes, we have a question for you, our listeners.
we want to know, what is a conversation you have every single day?
Oh, good question. Do you order food every day? Do you talk to your boss? Do you talk to a bus driver?
Tell us in the comments below. We want to know about your daily routine.
Yes, we love reading your comments. It helps us get to know you better.
And please don't forget to subscribe to the Talk Walk English channel.
And click that like button if you learned something new today.
And share this with your family and friends. Let's build a big community of English learners.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
Thank you. Have a great day and happy talking.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.